Welcome back to another O2D unboxing video. Today I have for you the Hot Wheels 2026 Pantone line JKY47B case. So this is mix 2 of the Pantone line, mix 2 of 2 because the line essentially just started not too long ago with the first case. This is the second case. This case comes over from Jcar Diecast. Thank you, Jcar Diecast, for supporting O2D YouTube channel and OrangeTrackDiecast.com. All right. I'm gonna bust open this case and show you what's inside. All right, so these cases are uneven. They are, let's just get pulling and you can see how uneven, in fact, that they are. So, first car out of the case, we have it's number 2 of 6. It is the Custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback. So, as with the first line, these cars feature a specific Pantone color, and that is applied to the paint, the wheels, the base, everything. So as a former graphic designer and someone that works in printing, we use Pantone all the time because it's a specific way to match a certain color. Colors that are not achievable in the traditional CMYK process. So you have very cool, unique colors like this. I guess we could call it light olive. Pantone 2304 on the wagon. So there are 3 of these in this case. So there's only 10 cars in this case, and 3 of them are the Volkswagen Squareback. Great car. We'll see if it warrants having it through to a case. All right, the next one out of the case is the number 6 of 6, the 67 Ford Bronco. So this was a new casting, right? Yeah, this casting just debuted in the Boulevard line, right? We just saw it at the end of the last year in the Boulevard line. Now we're seeing it in 2026 in this Pantone line as a crossover. And this is like, some people are referring to it as chases, I guess. The metal-based cars are the chase. If you're looking for the metal-based car or the chase, this would be it. So you get this 67 Ford Bronco in Pantone 175, which is essentially, I guess, I don't know. I guess I would call it, you call it brown, maybe we call it mud because it's 67 Ford Bronco. It's dirty. It's the natural color of the mud. But very cool. Very nice contrast from the Boulevard release in that light green of a white top. Very nice. All right. So one of those in this case. So if you're insisting that this is a chase, it is 1 to a case, so maybe you're right in that sense. Next one out of the case is the 20 Toyota Tacoma, number 1 of 6. So the Tacoma makes its way to the series, the 2020 version of it, in Pantone 574. So another green car, and I think the sense of this case is very earthy, very earth colors. You'll see we got green, I guess kind of an olive in this case, a kind of light olive on the Squareback, brown on the Bronco. We have to see kind of a mint and a light tan or a beige, but you're going to get kind of earth tones in this case versus the first mix was kind of sportier cars, and you had reds and oranges and yellows. This is definitely more of that earthy mix, and you got kind of the off-road vehicles to match. So kind of, there's some intention behind it, we'll say that, but that is all that I know. So Pantone 574 and 20 Toyota Tacoma. 2 of those in this case. Next one out of the case is the Rally Finale. So a car that originally debuted in the Hot Wheels ID line. We have the Rally Finale. Very cool Hot Wheels original casting. And I don't know if we've seen it. I guess we've seen it in a few places, right? We've seen it outside of the ID already. But this one this is plastic base, right? I think so. But it is only 1 to a case. It is number 3 of 6 in the series. And again, it comes in kind of like a mint color, which is Pantone 2404. You know what actually be kind of fun is to pair these Pantones up with the mainline counterparts, right? Because we know that the mainline cars are painted with this same kind of paint, or at least the Silver Series cars, being that these are made in Thailand. So you get the same kind of paint. It'd be cool to see what Pantones are being used on what cars. Maybe we'll have our own little, maybe somebody will build their own little Pantone wall of colors. Kind of like similar to how the cars are in the design center where they have a wall of different spectrum frame colors. Maybe we'll see somebody build a Pantone wall. All right, next one out of the case is the Sandblaster. So the return of the Sandblaster in Pantone 4515. It is kind of like a beige, light beige color, or a tan. I guess maybe go tan on this one. The Sandblaster. So this is the first, it's actually the first like Ford Raptor before there was a Ford Raptor in the lineup. It is, you know, it has that kind of an, what makes you think an unlicensed name in the Sandblaster. But if you look at, what is it? The grill. The grill on this one, it's hidden behind the roll, you know, the front bars on the front of it. But if you look at the grill, it actually says Ford on it. So definitely a licensed casting. And I don't really see any Ford insignia on the bottom, but this is, make no mistake, this is a Ford F-150. So one of those in the case. That's number 4 of 6. The last one in the case is probably the one I'm most excited for, because one, it is a casting that I collect. It is the Land Rover Defender 90 in, if the last one was tan, we're going to call this one beige or a light brown. So this one is Pantone 7504, the Land Rover Defender 90. So very nice squarish, you know, version of the Land Rover. Obviously the shortened version as is because it's the 90, and a very nice version of this one. I have quite the collection going. I think I have at least, this makes at least 16, 7, I think 17, counting the Toy Fair release. I have at least 17 versions of this car. So, but that pretty much wraps up this mix. Again, thank you, Jcar Diecast, for sending this case over. Make sure you read the full case report on orangetrackdiecast.com. We are going to be cruising along. I have a bunch of cases for you to look at and review in the next couple, well, I guess it's going to take a couple days, couple weeks actually, just to get them all posted and up on the site. But again, I got 2 of the Land Rover Defender 90 in this case. We got 1 of the Sandblaster, 2 of the 20 Toyota Tacoma, that quote-unquote chase model in the 67 Ford Bronco in all brown. Another one-off car in this case is the Rally Finale in mint, or Pantone 2404, if you want to be more specific. And the mega, whatever we call it, the most frequent car in this case is that custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback. So I got 3 to a case. So that's it. Thank you for watching. As always, make sure you check out orangetrackdiecast.com for the full case report. And again, thank you, Jcar Diecast, for supporting this video. Go to jcardiecast.com. James at Jcar has the cases on sale for on the site. So if you haven't found these at retail yet, make sure you check out jcardiecast.com and look for your Pantone B case Mix 2 for 2026. Again, thank you for watching.